Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to Kiddos Learn.
The family is staying on a farm. In the morning, the children feed the hens and collect the eggs for breakfast. They take the eggs back to the kitchen and give them to the mother. She cracks the eggs open on the side of a pan, saying,